All right, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. God bless you. Do two things for me now. Three things actually. Click the subscribe button if you have not done that. Click the like button and also add a comment. God bless you. Let me know where you're watching from. Right. So today I want to show you also the ditone in the key of F. So ditone, when I say ditone, what's ditone? It's like just like the tritone as a three tones. Ditones is actually two tones. So we have a one tone, one tone. So it's like a major third interval actually. So alright, so major third interval. Right, so now let's see how we use this. Get to use this in the key of F. Okay, so a 736 goes 7. We're in the key of F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have a 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Right? So on our 7 chord, you know. So we have so you do a movement from your minor second to your 2 to your minor third. So then you hold your 7 and then your minor third on your left hand. On your right hand you hold a 6, 2, 5. 6, 2, 5. So 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 you can do that. So then you play the conventional 3 I've always taught you, then to your 6, or we do this so I did this in I did this lesson in key of F sharp, and this was what I actually taught them. So you can after this you can do this. So that's your flattened 5 major third diatone. So we have in the key of F you have a B and E flat on the left. On the right you have a A, D, G, then D flat and F. Then we have a B, E, A. Then to your 6 chord, 6 on the left, 5 on the right. That's it. That's how to sound like that. So as the thee wanted for, as the thee wanted for. So that's like the right timing. As the thee wanted for, the water so my soul. So let me show you that 2 chord. Hey, this is serious. 2 chord, you have a 2, 1 on left. On right, you have a flatted 5, minor 7, flatted 7, and then your 9. The water, so 5, you have a 5 and 2 on the left. On right, you have a 4, flatted 7, 9, 4, or 9, 11. Water, so my soul. Okay, so we have a 1, flatted 7, you have a 3, 6, your minor 9, right, and then your 3, then to your 4. So for the last time, after we planted for the water, so my soul long it up.
Shape you
right. God bless you. Bye.